Okay, go ahead.
You say, say some people don't come out, decide, say, anyhow when the thing be, they no go like, make we see the better work of government. Remember, I say one person talk, say, if the election don't favor them, they go form parallel government. That they go form their own government. That one now, open declaration. How could be people?
We don't talk that one now. Another one talks, say, blood of baboon and...
Now, could be. Now, them, we know them.
Those people are very violent. We are not like that.
No, but as those ones when they cause trouble, as Oga President, a gentleman, they smile. Why be say you now come and come look say this man no dey. Some people say they want from some people say blood about this one never talk anything. Make we allow him. This thing we don't see.
No, if you allow him, wetin go happen be say the poverty will be 70%. When he enter, it no be 70%. If he go reach 90, and by the time he reach 90, if he don't catch you, because maybe you dey for 75. So make you know wetin they talk. That's number one. Number two, the unemployment. Okay. Where CBN say youth unemployment dey 80%. If he go become 85% or 95. If you go catch your junior brother, because you get job now. Hold on.
That number they fear person.
You dey fear. United Nations come talk say the unemployment rate is rising. You know the way. You know they better. He dey go. How person go green make he go for your own country? This thing they be like say the bribe person make it they talk abeg. How you go dey work against your own self?
Okay.
Make I react to it the presidential aspirant of the NCP.
I be candidate to not be aspirant.
I'm sorry. I'm not a politician like this. I'm sorry. I could be allowed. The waiting he talk. Number one, first things I want to correct one impression. I no ever talk say no leadership for Nigeria never do anything or past leadership never do anything. After I give credit to President Obasanjo for the kind of enjoyment when Nigerians enjoy for telecom sector. I use them as an example, say how country take they go front. And now when you build one block, you go put another block. Now for club, they take the enter dance. For anything we say what they do, we must first get the structure and the foundation right. Political leadership, both military and democratically elected governments, we ourselves, we get eye, we they see. No say this government don't try pass other governments. This government na the most performing, na the most democratic, na the most committed to peace. They're not the incite violence. They're not they do this one. They're not they do like the way him refer to some people them. Na APC them be. We know. But our support, they go for government will be the most youthful. Will be say different from all the past governments. Will be say get military relationship, democratic relationship, recycled past leadership, cabal. This government, they dissociated from that. This government don't do reforms for power, for rail, for agric, for this, for corruption. It don't even better. The pension fraud when they talk, you see, all this one, now, these are the cynicism, the bad mouthing when they talk about before, when they won't call cynicism. When something good, you go say, good, make people for vote for you. Not be so Nigeria, not be so democracy be. When things good, make we say it good, and make we use our thumb, move Nigeria forward by, say, carry and go, pin them for good luck. The word when you talk about PDP, me, I agree say the PDP as a party never perform up to how it supposed don't perform reach for this country. And
as
a party, based on say some governors try, even look APC state, look Labour state, look Abga state. You understand?
People still they complain.
They know they pay salaries for some states. The issue of say government don't earn more money pass. Now Jonathan carry all the money put for his pockets. Now federal government nine chop all the money.
He give allocation.
In fact, now the governors from all these political parties, now the governors and they go Abuja every end of month to go share money. The sovereign wealth, Jonathan, they say, okay, maybe they save this money the way Obasanjo start them. But Jonathan not be a ruthless person. Obasanjo start SS Good account, enforce them, deprive other states, he no care. Jonathan, as a Democrat, they carry federal government go court. All these states where they make noise, say federal government no they do anything. Now they carry federal government go court, say anytime when oil money come, if any oil money will come, if every month, no state won't do anything. Then they reach the state, they go shop the state own, shop the local government own. When time for election, they'll carry big microphone, they shout change everywhere. The thing where they talk, they say, Nigeria decay since independence. If they go small, when military come, quack, they carry Nigeria, they go back. When democratic leadership come from Obasanjo, we go front small. But now under Jonathan, we don't, after Yaradua, we go front more again. Now under Jonathan, we don't they go forward. So make we move forward, Nigeria. And now Jonah be the man. We don't need to change Nigeria overnight with grammar. We don't need to test people who don't get experience. We don't need to test people who say their experience now past leadership. Look past. If you want to compare past and past, more no compare future and unexisting. Past and past. Jonathan, past. Buhari, past. Onovo, past. Put all of them together. The best place to put your thumb. Now, good luck, Jonathan.
We go allow engineer talk, but we get somebody when they on the line. We get Wale. Wale, they say Wale, they call us. Wale, they call us from Abuja. Oga Wale, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, Oga Wale.
Good morning, Oga Wale. I beg, greet our Ogbonge visitor
Good
there.
morning, Prince.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, my Oga Nkubi and Oga Chukudi.
Good morning, sir.
Oga Prince, now you are really want to talk to. If I say you think we not be Nigeria, we dey sleep when all these things dey happen for Nigeria. Where you don't be pay Nigeria like say na America. My brother, you know they fly, you be Yoruba man, you know they fly Lagos Road, you know they fly Kwara Road. I'm from Kwara State. If you pass the road, if you be pregnant woman, the woman go born immediately she reach her destination. You know they so bad. My brother, we should
But
be
that
very
na Kwara
partial.
State, na APC State, oh.
And secondly, when they say that only opposition they speak instigating statement, what of a serving governor from the ruling party? Where go they write say General Buhari go die, the way other president die for newspaper? Where go they put am? This thing, I just wonder why when I just they shift away blame from Mona. Mona they accept them now. Mona they accept them. Mona don't fail this country. 16 years no be just yesterday. Mona accept them. When I don't turn Nigeria, I see with electricity that don't even turn something. We say now goes down. We they pay. Even the NEPA bill they expensive pass house rent now. And yet when I see they shout for us, hey,
Oga Wale,
Thank you very much.
Oga Wale, thank you very much. You don't make your point. That last one when you drop, now which people they call punchline.
Make I just quickly respond.
But before you go respond, make we quickly collect this call. Kunle, they call us from Kaduna. Good morning, Kunle. Kunle, good morning.
Oga Kunle, I beg reduce the volume of your television.
Oga Kunle, you still there?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Good morning, Mr. Nkubi.
I hear you. Ride on.
And Mr. Shukudi.
Good morning, Oga Kunle.
Prince Dave, good morning.
Morning, my brother.
And our presidential candidate, good morning. The issue is that if you are talking of development, it's not for only one person. Like Nigeria, like a country like Nigeria. It's a big country. You can't compare to any country in Africa. If some people are, maybe they compare Nigeria with Ghana or this thing, how many is their population in all these countries you have mentioned? It's just like 2 states in Nigeria. And again, if you are talking about maybe it's only one party that be ruling since 1999, I will disagree. Because in 1999, we have some states that are ruled by AP, we have some by AMPP, we have some by other opposition parties, different parties. In different states, there are some states, in their state assembly, we have different political parties. In National Assembly too, we have, understand now. And these people, they have their role to play in developing this country.
Thank you.
Understand? You should not just everything will go to the central. Understand? Actually, if you are saying that development cannot come overnight, even magician, if you can't say we want to turn Nigeria to America overnight, I will refer you to a book that called The Mafia State. It's about America. When they are going through tough time like Nigeria like this.
Yes.
If you go and read that book, you see what America passed through. Understand now? The issue is that all these things we are facing now, before Nigeria will be okay, we have to face all these things. That's what we are facing today. Understand now? And to repair something, to put something right. Understand now? It's not easy. It's not easy. And to be a leader too, it's not easy. You know what I'm saying? Like Mr. Okubi, if you are talking about change, understand now? I know when you started this program, there was no telephone this thing line there. Understand now? But they didn't change you. they brought some other things to put it together to make the program.
Oga Kule, we don't get your point. I believe say what Oga Kule they talk be say make nobody just they throw the thing give them for center. Say that collective responsibility.
Of Nigeria,
and you be talking say state governors go center collect chop.
The model
chop
of Nigeria.
Own, chop their local government.
Make I just take quickly on the guy from Kwara and the guy from Kaduna. The thing be say
no, you know what?
the model of Nigeria.
Allow you do a hard trick. Okay. We go take Emmanuel from Wari. Oga Emmanuel, good morning, sir.
Emmanuel, good morning.
Oga Nkubi, good morning.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir.
You dey greet you.
Morning.
Okay, good morning from the leading party.
Good morning.
What I want to talk is Nigerians they look for the easy way out, and whether you like it or not, anything we want to, certainly there must be sacrifices. See China today, how did they develop to where they are now? They have to stop importation. You know how China phones they be before. Now rubbish, but today go buy China phone. At least you can do what any other phone will do for you. So only Jonathan and I still try. Apart from what and will bring telecommunication, Jonathan try and make some companies they make their cars for here, they assemble cars for here. But if you take other Nigerian and say go buy that car, go say no. So when we don't bring those things, then we have to stop importation. Those things will create employment. I just they open to whoever is there because leaders know the solution, but they don't want one. They know the solution, they don't want one. We have the solution around us, but not just wickedness. So, Oga Onovo, I'm throwing it to you and to others. You people should be objective and take the right decisions for Nigerians. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Oga Emmanuel. Make we allow Oga Prince.
Yes, Oga Prince.
Like the Kule they talk, the points we they make na simple thing. And I like the caller from Kaduna.
We get, this one are Bobby. Bobby, they call us from Amsterdam.
So no vex, we must take this call
No
because
problem.
the Nigeria
These are diaspora.
Bobby, they call us from Amsterdam and Netherlands. Oga Bobby, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are they?
We dey fine.
I so much appreciate the show, you know.
Thank you very much.
It wake me up every morning.
Thank you. You go continue to wake you up. I bet Chukma for the matter.
Anyway, there's something else I want to try to say. When the attack could be like as if could be not they run the election, you know. It will be say when I want to try to make the point, say since when good luck enter, more try to check out from the day one when he enter. The things when say don't go wrong, he reached to arrest a government when they decide to impeach or come out. You understand me now? First of all, I'm going to talk about the Chibok girls. They go almost a year now when they get the miss. So when election time don't reach, they come out, say he want to go rescue the girls there. That's around that part too. So say just they look for election. Then aspect of say student graduate when they say they look for work. Last year when they say die for Abuja. They are more Abuja Stadium full, Lagos Stadium full, Port Harcourt and Benin, other places. I watched them for telly. I was so sad. You know, say young Nigerians they die because they look for work. And they collect 1,000 naira from them. We never talk about that one, so corruption. The government is supposed to look into those ones, say, why we so not take money from these students when they look for work? You know, do those ones there. Then we'll forget about that issue. Then issue of a state election, the tape, it dismissed the tape, say yes, that's a waiting they wish to arrest anywhere in the world. They go arrest such a governor candidate or those who they pay into the tape. They go arrest them first, then they go carry investigation on those matters. But you look at he say he described the tape, he say not be genuinely. Let's say the man where everybody think confidence before they go. How can you do such a thing? That's why you have police or AFCC to do investigation on those matters, carry on the investigation and see what is going to happen for anything. You know, so that's why people not get believe say yes, a good luck they do anything better. They talk about the money where they miss left and right. This one miss. For this the question one, that question one I want to ask and raise say the money where they share for this election. Now, federal government money, I mean, money when it raised for an election campaign. Because now that they say $3 billion it don't come up for our account, the revenue account. You understand me? Now, so those are the questions we need to ask the government. Don't be matter to say he do this, he do that, because that ain't right to do things for we as the Nigerians.
Okay, Bobby. Yes, thank you very much for your call. I bet we don't get your point. Thank you very, very much. Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
I appreciate the show.
Thank you. We will quickly go for one quick break to at least to calm down. And when we come back, at least we can give our guests the freedom, the space to react to the questions where our viewers don't ask. Will they come?
Now, welcome back to As City Hall on top of the Chairman Television Station, Wazobia TV on Top Star Times Channel 195. And we see the inside studio with Prince David Omahomi and Engineer Martin Onovo, and we discuss everything when concern Nigeria matter and the election when they come for front. So we be one play on one information when we package, but it's a technical issue, so we go put them later. But we'll continue our discussion. The Goga Prince, you go respond to all the questions when we say our callers they raise.
Thank you. Very quickly, like the man we come from Kwara, he raised very salient points about how he know to see anything for Kwara State or the roads and the rest. And it go back to the earlier point that I don't make, say the decay for Nigeria don't come a long way. Things cannot be done overnight. So make nobody deceive Nigerians with grammar or with pointing out of the bad aspects or things where we say Nigeria not to be like America yet. The person will come from diaspora, Holland, you see, what I want to talk regarding that one, be say, why these times they're very good for this country. Now say, if they help us build our nation process. The other callers from Kaduna, the other caller from Warri made positive points whereby they acknowledge, say, the country, they make progress. Now, social media, now another thing where we say like news, like press people, now bad news, now they sell quickly. So the things when they stick to our mind for this country, as human beings, where we be, normally now the emotional sides, like the tragedy of the recruitment saga, the tragedy of this, the tragedy of that, like that. But if you see the good things then, when they happen, are many, many more times than these things.
So the government even decide say they want even create jobs.
Yeah, not from that perspective. The positive sides don't get, people know they hear them, except the people where we say benefit from them. The positive sides, you know if you come out all the unemployed Nigerians from street overnight, you go build industries, you go reform sectors, you go do things. I don't want to argue too much because we don't get too much time, but this summary of our presentation from our view as Nigerians, now say, if Nigeria don't move forward, they say, when lizard fall for ground, they don't even hail themselves.
Go nod the head.
But this one, he don't pass where the lizard go nod himself. Before, Jonathan, as a very calm person, not they like eye service or loud music or loud talk. The way it be now, as he be say all these political people, then don't they shout up and down. So now you will notice say the president and the machinery around them begin to say, but we need to advertise this man.
Make Nigerians see.
Make Nigerians see. Otherwise, we'll keep quiet. So
may quickly give us Engineer Martins, make you also respond.
I want to thank Prince as he take talk, but I want to thank Bobby Pass because Bobby don't talk the thing where everybody will all see, where everybody knows say it be true. This foundation where we they build, me self I be engineer. I don't build house. I don't build oil platform. If for 16 years you build foundation, power day 3,000, you never finish building the foundation. You don't spend nearly $50 billion. You never finish foundation. Now God go help you. If the foundation where you build, Nigeria debt where they don't almost pay finish, you can't carry us enter Gbese. Right now, total national debt, it is $70 billion. You build foundation, Mr. Foundation. Enugu Onisha Road, You never do. 2010, second Niger bridge, you never do. You debut foundation, no, 2 trillion don't lost for subsidy. Now the foundation for corruption be that 2 trillion. You never bring them back. You debut foundation. You talk, say they privatize telecoms. No be wetin happen. United was never privatized up till now. What happened? Be say foreign investor invested in telecoms. That's a different thing from privatization. So
But
wait, make I talk. I know do this topic when they talk. Wait, make we talk true.
No, go ahead.
The people know wetin be true.
Go ahead.
We there for our country. We get army. We get commander-in-chief. We get air force. We get navy. Some people wey no sabi anything, Mumu, Abubakar Shekau, they no reach 4,000. Pursue us, collect 3 states. You dey sleep for 5 years. You dey build foundation. As election come, you come wake up. Remember, say you be commander-in-chief. Come begin call Chad to help you to pursue them. Why you no call Chad for 5 years? Make we see evil, make we talk about. If we don't talk about evil, go come our house. And na the thing wey dey happen for Nigeria. People don plenty for Nigeria because people dey wey dey support evil. And I thank God say intelligent people wey get clean eye like Bobby dey say when all these lie people wey dey give money to dey talk lie, when they talk and people like Bobby go say Nigeria, make una look o, make una take una eye see.
Engineer, sharp, we don't get time. What we have to say in 30 seconds, just tell us the way forward, and Oga Prince himself go take her from there before we close am today.
It is very simple. If you see, say, the people where you carry, the driver where you carry, make they drive your motor. Say, they carry you, go kill. You they wait, make he kill you. He tell you, saying they adjust the steering. If they carry you, go kill. Now the foundation be that. Make you come out driver, go get better driver. NCP don't give you a better driver. Now una choice. Anyone wey una choose, now that one una go take leave.
So on March 28th, may they carry you as the driver.
Shine your eyes, two eyes.
Quickly.
Shine your
you also
eyes.
talk to Nigerians.
Nigerians, we be Nigerians as we be. We know how Nigeria be. Unfortunately, many of the decay don't make it dirty full everywhere. One person don't come. The guy they change the place, they reform the systems. Nigeria don't they go forward. Make we not allow politicians use big grammar, sentiment, whip up issues where we can't even know waiting say Nigeria they even go for. Make we on 28 come outside, use our term, empower consolidation of democracy and move Nigeria forward.
And on behalf of myself and Nkubi, we dey always talk our own.
Yes,
go out, exercise your rights. Now pledge with a pledge on top of Aside Hot and for Wazobia TV. March 28th, do what you supposed to. Until we come back tomorrow with another topic. As it take concern this election to discuss am Aside Hot, my name na Ezugu Chukwudi. Our guests them, Engineer Martin Onovo, Oga Prince. We thank you for coming. Nkubi, just tell them bye bye.
Yes, Nigerians, till tomorrow. Bye bye from me.
And we go shake una hand.
Thank you.
Una go shake to make them see.